Hi everyone, welcome to Ira Makes. Today I'm going to make a box to organize these modeling tools. I have so many tools I use for my crafting and I like to organize them in a customized box for each tool size. This way I can make perfect size to fit into my own baskets or drawers. I used to organize them in a cup or container and I found it was a very eyesore, very messy looking and took up a lot of my desk space. All these tools I don't use daily, so it didn't have to be displayed on a desk all times. Here's my crochet toolbox. It fits all my crochet hooks, darning needles, stitch markers, and etc. So for these modeling tools, I want my box to be about 8 inches long and about 1.5 inch height. And for the width, I think I need only about 2 inches. I buy these poster boards from Dollarama. They are the cheapest I found. They are 2 sheets for just $1. I love these poster boards to make base for my giant paper flowers or even lettering signs. Great for any project. I'm cutting 2 pieces of 11 inches by 5 inches for this box project. I'm cutting my paper using my cutter I got from dollar store. It was just over $1. I use this cutter to make anything. You can see my other projects I did on my Instagram at ira.makes. So here I'm using this Martha Stewart Scoring Board envelope tool. I got them from Michael's with using those daily coupons from their website. I love those coupons. When I got this, they had 50% off coupon. So here I have a 5 inch side. I'm going to score them both sides for 1.5 inches. Same thing for this other side, 11 inch side, 1.5 inches for both sides. Before I bought this scoring board, I used to just use my bone folder on my silicone mat with the ruler to make a crease on the paper. So if you don't have this tool, you don't have to go get one. You can make any size of boxes, cards, or envelopes with this tool. I love it. I just cut the corner like that, and I am using tacky glue for this video, but you can use anything like hot melt glue, tape, anything you have it in your house. I don't like buying stuff for my projects, just for the projects. I like to make things out of what I have on hand. This way I found I can be more creative and also saving money. When you're using soft glue like tacky glue or school glues, just to make sure to hold them for a few seconds to get them in place. Here's my box and my box lid. For the lid, you have to score them 1/8 of inch shorter each side. And I'm putting all my modeling tools in my box. It fits perfectly. I'm very happy with it.